Welcome back, everybody, to another exciting episode of Nutrient Shootouts. I'm your host, OSP. Here we have a couple, 3 weeks now, finally after harvest. Got a couple nice little random ones popping up, but we've been able to harvest, trim, dry, cure, and I'm getting supplies out to patients. And we've been able to do our flip. Now we're just working on lighting. What I've been able to do, I've got a nice little TV added with a little Android box that I can watch all YouTube videos. And I still got my tablet for machine control and Alexa for voice control and news and such. Hortiluxes are still sitting at the sidelines. Definitely want to do a run. Right now, we've got our Vivosun 2-in-1 set up with the new Cultilux veg bulb. 315 veg bulb. We're going to see how that does with actually 4 plants. Probably not enough wattage, but these things hit pretty hard. And of course the Cultilux 600s. And we've got the Diva set up with the 1000. But I got a couple extra 600s now. So I might still spread these guys out a little wider. And of course get these a little higher. But we might be doing another probably 12 plant grow. So all at 600 watts across the board. So 5 times 600. And do it over each fixture, basically 4 plants a piece. So but yeah, everything's looking good. Got the backdrops set up, or the stands for the backdrops, and my other wooden backdrops and floor pieces, and really nice setup for photography and grow, standard grow equipment, all my cameras, my extra AC units and heaters. Got the nice chill couch. Everything's looking real nice. And up here in the 12K, we got everything painted. I got to actually sweep again. Trays were out, power washed. Everything was checked. We got a couple pieces of glass we got to clean still, but we brought it all in, replumbed it, with the exception of this air pump over here that I posted on Instagram a little bit ago, being a little loud. All the air pumps are latched down and stuck to the floor, so it's actually quite quiet in here compared to what it normally would be with 6 massive air pumps running and all these fans. I still have to bring the trellises down and clean them up a little bit and make sure they're hanging correctly, but we're basically ready for another grow, and we're going to be doing a powdered shootout this time. That'll consist of, I'll get a little light there, that'll consist of Floraflex, Jax 321, Gaia greenhouse feeding, and Key to Life, and probably something like Veg Plus Bloom, but there is a couple other ones out there that I'm looking at, and that'll get going fairly soon. There's the blue glass I've got for the Method 7 glass. That gives me the perfect vision through my cameras for the grow rooms. But we got a couple other, actually, Love Trees powdered nutrient line is what I'm going to go for number 6. So I got to get to testing a couple bulbs that were fired off before they really got hot, and they kind of arc through. They kind of passed the arc. I think I can actually bring them back once I get them fired up and get them actually to fire correctly. All that carbon in there will clean themselves out, but got a little bit of work to do, get everything set up. or get everything finished being set up. But yeah, we'll have some pretty sweet grows going out here pretty soon. And of course upstairs in the 6K, and I'll make another video talking about what we might be featuring. There's a new green microbiotics version of green microbiotics microbial nutrient that I used only 2.5 gallons for the whole 144 plant grow. So up here we had some power surges and stuff come through, and as you can see, I've got the 3 of the 6 Galaxies are replaced with the older Nanoluxes, which work perfectly fine for the Digilux bulbs or Hortilux bulbs or metal halides, but they don't work on firing some of the newer tech, including some of the new single-ended CMH, which I'm working on getting my hands on. But got the heater up there for the cold nights, if needed, all controlled. And I got these fans mounted to the ceiling that can be adjusted. Got the trellis hooks, and the floor is painted again, all white, keep the heat down. And we got a little LED light from Y-Grow, just nice little digiboard white. That gives us some light when we need it, and another nice piece of glass with the blue lens. So, yeah, I gotta set up this microphone setup again so I can broadcast some more. But everything's looking good. So as soon as we get a nutrient picked out to feature, we'll get grows going again out here too. So yeah, that's about it for now. Like I said, 220 volt for all the lighting and 110 volt put in for all the fans and what have you. I got a bunch of extra fans to put in different spots, and of course my photography out here works pretty well, so I'm happy. Took me a minute to get done, but we got it all done. The product is good. I will say, no matter what, all exotic genetics that I grew this round, the triple chocolate chips, Shiraz, Matrix, Big Smooth, all were incredible and are all most in demand or most noteworthy as what people want. Rosetta Stone is also very good. The Durban Thai Cindy 99 was an incredible genetic. People are really liking that. Man, they're all good. Fader Actual, Donesis, Primal Punch from Ocean Grown Seeds. Really, really good. Really stony. And definitely work good for the patients. So I guess at that. But yeah, you can catch me out here more often working on the plants now that I have a way to easily, through the Bluetooth and through the speakers, be able to watch YouTube videos and stay up with the trends that everybody else is dealing with. And hopefully I'll be interacting a little bit more, definitely on Instagram and YouTube throughout the upcoming months. So that's it for now. Thanks for tuning in. Like and subscribe to my videos. Check out my Instagram for more frequent posts and updates. We will be potentially doing seed giveaways, actually. There's some seed packs that are extra, that are donations. So we're going to be donating them out as a giveaway, so stay tuned for that. And Vivosun, really nice 5x4 by 80-inch tent with the twin chambers. So in Michigan, where you can rec grow, or with a non-caregiver med card, you can, or patient card, you can veg, or in this case veg. You really need to build it upside down, so the shelf is up here, so that way you can clone on a lesser light. You can veg and not have to like be lifting your water up 4 plants, and then you can flower out, and then just continually cycle off of clones from those 4 plants, so you can have your 12 plant count and continue to grow. And they just released, which I wish this part was 2 foot, making the overall tent 10 foot, but they just released a 4x8 with the extra foot chamber on the end. So check out Vivosun. Of course, check out Cultilux. I've got the 3K and the 4K bulbs in those 315s. So really, really nice. 4,000, 3,000K, 96 CRI on that 4,000K, 33,000 lumen. Real bright. And of course the Cultilux 600 and the Cultilux 1000 watts. So the twin DE 1000s. And I'm running this in the Revolution Diva. We've been doing some testing and some power mapping, and it's a very, very nice light. So we're going to get all these fired up and working correctly again and making sure everything checks out. And we'll get back to you when we got some plants. Once again, OSP Nutrient Shootouts, OSP Labs, NS Hydro, NS Photography. Look for me everywhere. See ya.